When it comes to premium e-readers, this one might be one of the most premium we've seen in a long time. This isn't an E INK tablet with an e-paper screen, it is an e-reader with a note-taking layer. It gets a little bit confusing and convoluted, but you can pair this with the Kobo Stylus. It is not included and it needs to be purchased separately, but this one works with the same stylus that the Ellipsa is able to use, the active capacitive battery-powered stylus. Now looking at the box, they've really toned down the Rakuten logoing. The R's missing from there, the Rakuten's missing from there, and I think it's only at the top now. There it is right there. And if you flip it over at the back, it'll say designed by Rakuten, made in Taiwan. So this is very interesting that they maybe have struck a deal where a lot of those R logos have kind of gone away. It is waterproof and it is an 8-inch using the E INK Carta 1200 technology. That's really nice. It still has the Comfort Light Pro that they've pioneered, the warm lighting basically. This is a really nice looking box as well. It really goes to show you when you look at things like this where the paper's matte here but suddenly gets shiny over here and gloss almost like it's raised. The reason that's important is because the way that a manufacturer presents their products usually trickles down to the product itself. It is very nice. You get this inlay here with the quick start guide. So you would pull this up, I would imagine, like so. Quick start guide would be located in here, probably along with some warranty information behind it. So if you lose your way or you need to know how to warranty your device, you can refer to these. Lots of different languages, and they do actually give you some help, and they give you apps and all that kind of stuff, and some website links. So you can go ahead and refer to that. If you lose this, you can always message us. We can help you get another one or give you a PDF version. Putting this off to the side for now, just until we explore the rest of the box. You do have the USB-C cable underneath here. And no, again, if you're skipping ahead, there is no stylus built into the box's retail packaging. You will have to buy a stylus separately. It does not come with a stylus, although it is compatible. The unit is the same kind of layout as the Forma, the Libra, that whole kind of asymmetrical or symmetrical design, depending on which way you're looking at it. And the backing is very nice. They've been doing this since the Kobo Vox with the Argyle little diamonds. This is a very nice backing. It is textured. And the beauty about this little perforated faux leather look is that it doesn't leave thumbprints, because your thumb and your fingers aren't touching enough surface area to leave a thumbprint. It's really nice. You have a very nice sunken power button that is unobtrusive and doesn't stick out from the side. And you have a Rakuten Kobo logo that is embossed in the unit. There's nothing on all corners except right here that is different from the Libra 2. You get 4 little copper contact pins for the power case. We'll show you in a future video. You also have a USB-C cable on the bottom there, and that's basically it. It is a very simplistic looking e-reader with enough style to not be overly obnoxious. It's very nice. Now this does lip up a little bit, which is going to be a little bit confusing when you go to put a screen protector on. I don't know if the screen protectors are going to be just the screen outlay or it's going to be the bezel as well, because this curves up. So there's a little bit of a lip which might actually pull up the corner of the screen protector if not put on correctly. This is everything that comes in the box with the Kobo Sage, latest release premium line of e-readers. We will of course be getting into a full review and comparisons against the Kindle, the Signature Edition, etc. And we'll be doing a separate video on the note-taking experience, as the stylus support is a selling point with this unit. If you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. For now, this is the unboxing, and stay tuned for more videos to come from goodyreader.com.